All right, I think we are live. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
I am with Brooke Colvin today, and she just opened a brand new farmers insurance agency in Longmont. So do you want to tell us a little bit about your new business and your new location?
Sure, yeah, so we're a farmers insurance agency. I'm sure most of you know Farmers has been around for a long time. We do write auto, home, life, umbrella. If you have any toys like motorcycles or snowmobiles, we do those as well. And then we also do business insurance.
Wow, so you do business insurance too?
Yes.
Nice. I didn't know that. You learn something new every time. And what location are you in right now? So what's the address here?
So we are in Longmont, right off 9th and Kimbark, which is right off Main Street, downtown Longmont. We're in a little house. It's cozy.
It is. It's so cute. I walked in. I'm like, it's so cute.
Yeah. So we like our location. Like I said, it's close to downtown. So
yeah, it is. It's like a block back from Maine, right?
Yep.
Awesome. And if you have never visited Longmont, because I know some of you live down north, you need to south. You need to come visit Longmont. It is a cool little town. I love it. Okay, so let's talk more about your business and then the community, because I like to always include the community. So what are you most passionate about in this business? Because as business owners, we all have, we can be passionate about our whole business, but there's always kind of one little subsection that we really love.
Yeah, so I really enjoy helping people. I've always enjoyed that, but I think the biggest thing to me is making sure everybody understands the type of coverage they're getting and why they're getting that type of coverage, so that they're not questioning it later on when something happens, and they just understand insurance better, because it's something that not a lot of people do understand. So.
Right, true. So I know that rates are going up or have gone up because of the hailstorms, particularly the hailstorms in our area. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure.
What people can expect.
Yeah, so rates do go up as an insurance industry. Each company takes a rate increase. So if you're with someone, you're going to see a rate increase. If you switch, you're going to see a rate increase. It's literally just understanding the coverage you have, being happy with the coverage you have, and knowing why. Hail damage here is huge.
Yes.
Rate increases are going to happen.
Gosh. Especially in Frederick and Firestone this year.
It's going to happen. So it's just a matter of finding coverage you're comfortable with, and an insurance agent that understands your life and makes sure you understand the insurance and can explain that to you. The other thing I do want to mention is fires don't necessarily happen here locally, but when they happen in the mountains, in the state of Colorado, we are affected by those as well. So down south, I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with La Vida, but there was a fire down there this summer. It burned down over 200 homes. So we are going to be affected by that, because it's a statewide thing, not local.
Oh, and I did not know that. So there you go.
Yep.
That's interesting. So what else do we need to know about insurance?
I think the biggest thing is knowing that rates are going to continue to rise until hailstorms and fires stop.
Which is never, especially in Colorado.
The other one that's really important is the uninsured motorist coverage on auto. Not a lot of people have enough insurance here in Colorado to cover the damages they cause. Some people don't even have insurance. So if they're causing accidents, that money has to come from somewhere. You can put it on your own policy to have that coverage if something happens to you. But just knowing that coverage in and out is probably pretty important.
Good to know. Yes, I think you should definitely have car insurance.
Please do. It will help with rates a little bit if, other people start getting insured or carrying enough insurance, because then companies aren't having to pay out so much.
Right. Yep. So you live pretty close to me. You're in what we like to call the Tri-Town area.
Yes.
So Frederick, Firestone, Dacono. Let's chat a little bit about that area, because we moved there 5 months ago and I love it.
Yes.
So what do you love about the Tri-Town area?
I love how small town feeling it is. I grew up in a small town. I graduated with 10 kids in my class.
Wow.
So it was super small town. The Tri-Town area is the smallest place we could find up here when we were looking to move up here. And we just love that it's a tight-knit community. You basically see the same people, you know everybody.
Right.
That's just something we like about it. So
Yeah, it is nice. You do get to know your neighbours easier, I think,
Yeah.
and the local businesses. Which brings me to, what's your favourite local business?
I love Pepper's Fireside Grill.
Well, I was just there this morning.
Their food is amazing. I really love their breakfast tacos.
I haven't tried those yet. Jack
They're super good.
eats the chicken and waffles.
Those are good too.
The full plate. Like the lady gave him the kids menu and I'm like, yeah, that's not going to cut it. Like this boy needs the full adult plate of chicken and waffles. And he ate every bite.
Well,
That's his favourite there.
that's good too. I've had that. But the breakfast tacos.
I have to try them. It is a cool place. And this morning it was funny because there was about 20, 25 men, like all there eating. But they all look so happy and jolly. I was like, oh, Jack, this is such a great group of guys. They're just sitting here all happy and jolly with each other. Yeah.
That's funny.
We go there on late start. It's like our special brunch once a month. Jack and I go.
That's cool.
Yeah, I try to get him to tell me about school when we're there. It's bribery.
Whatever works.
It's a cool little place though. If you haven't been yet, definitely check it out. We need to go for dinner sometime.
Dinner's good too. They have a lot of different stuff on the dinner menu that's good, but I just like breakfast food, so.
I have to try that. I would have to say my favourite is Mountain Cowboy. That's a no-brainer because I love beer and I can walk there. So that's, for me, it's like the
Double
sweet
points.
spot. Right. And then they do coffee in the morning. So how can you beat that? It's like both things that I need during the day.
Coffee and beer.
Right. Is there anything you would change about our local area?
Here in Longmont, no. Longmont is pretty diverse. It has a lot of everything. However, when you go out to Firestone, Frederick, Dacono area, we don't have a lot of places to eat.
That's true.
There's like a McDonald's, a Wendy's,
Yeah.
Pepper's Fireside Grill, and then a few pizza places and the Mountain Cowboy Brewing
Right.
place that I know of.
Yeah.
So I would love to see more, not necessarily chain restaurants, but restaurants just come
Right.
into the area.
I guess there's a new Mexican one going up by the lake, or in that
Oh.
same area where Peppers is. I've seen a couple things about it, like a cantina style
That's
going
good.
in.
I'm good with that.
Yeah, so that I think people are trying to get in there, trying to open these businesses, but I agree.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I mean, there's just a ton of housing going in, and I don't know where everybody's gonna eat.
Right. At home in the kitchen.
True.
Well, Georgia Boys is always good too. Have you been there at the barbecue?
Been to Georgia Boys, yeah.
And then Peel, yeah. But yeah, more options would be good.
Yeah.
Definitely. So back to business. Do you have a Facebook page, website? Where can people find you? And we will link it in the comments as well.
Sure. So I do have a Facebook page. You can look it up. It's Brooke Colvin Farmers Insurance. You'll see a picture of my face. And that's where most of our stuff happens. That's where we post everything that we have going on. If we have any events, if you can win any gift cards, those sort of things. I do have an agency page. It's farmers.com/bcolvinagent. You can look me up on there. You can see our hours and that sort of thing, but we can't post any specials going on or any information other than what's on there. So
Yeah, just like a company website.
yeah.
Yeah, I get those. I'm working through that right now. I'm trying to find like a better website. Like I need something better. Because right now I have two. I need to bring them together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any special events talking about like raffles? Do you have anything going on right now?
So we don't have anything going on right now. We just finished up our open house for opening. And that was last week. We had 3 days and we just invited everybody in. We had some food, some drinks. We chit-chatted a lot. It was fun. No events coming up right now. However, we do have kind of a special going on. It's Christmas. People are looking to get kids presents.
Right.
And sometimes the best present you can give them is something that will last forever, not just a toy that you're going to throw in the closet 6 months down the road. So with that, we do offer life insurance, and our kids' policies are instant. They go through underwriting right away. They're $25 a month for $50,000 in coverage, and it goes throughout their entire life. There's no medical. You can catch it before, God forbid, anything happens to them.
Right.
And it's just something that we like to offer to everybody because a lot of people don't want to talk about life insurance for one, and especially life insurance on their kids.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
it's just a good time. Even if you're a grandparent, you can get it on your grandkid. So
Interesting.
yeah.
Cool. So any last words of wisdom for us about insurance?
I just think no matter what company you're with, make sure you're comfortable with the agent, make sure you know your coverage, and make sure you're reviewing it at least once a year. A lot of things happen throughout the year, and a lot of times you don't even realize that'll affect your insurance. So
Right.
just talk to your agent or an agent.
Right. And do you just cover Longmont, or do you cover like this north side, or do you cover further?
So we can write insurance throughout Colorado.
Okay.
So
Good to
down
know.
south 4.5 hours, over to the west 4.5 hours, anywhere.
Okay.
So
Fun.
yeah.
So like I said, I will put Brooke's details in the comments, and if you want to chat with her or find out any more information, please contact her. And thanks for tuning in today. And now I gotta get up and go and press the finish button because my clicker's not working.
Thank you.
Bye guys.